Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic 6 TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and location and wherever you're watching us from. Today being the 21st day of August 2026, we, the team of Magnetic 6 TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafran, this thing is happening yesterday, being 28th of August 2026. Gentle the Yahoo is no longer happy with all these things that is happening. So in this video, Gentle the Yahoo is reporting to the world power that it is high time they come and help Biafrans to separate from Nigeria, because the more days are going, the more the Nigerian government agents are buying Biafrans. So in this video, Gentle the Yahoo no dey happy at all. He no dey happy. He dey cry. He has bitter heart of what is going on in Biafran land. So listen to Gentle the Yahoo to hear what he said in this video. Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Today being 20. Today being 20. That 20 column.
See, now this thing, they want keep person, but to God not allow them. See, inside. Now more tank at 3, they use come. See, now the gun with this, now the bullet where they use do this thing with this. See, they want keep person. See,
Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending your location and wherever that you are hearing and watching from, I want to use this wonderful opportunity to bring this information to the notice of the Finnish government and the international communities, and also to make His Excellency Donald J. Trump to understand the heavy genocide killings that has been going on in Biafra land, even the one that happens today being 20th of August 2026. I am going to play it here for the world, the entire world, to see and understand the cry of the Biafrans, and also to understand that we are not one with these people. Nothing like one Nigeria doesn't exist. Before I make it clearly to the understanding of the world, I have to introduce myself once again. I am still remaining your humble servant, Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorientaze, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Today's date is 20th of August 2026. I am going to make it clear for everyone to understand the kind of atrocities and genocide killings in Biafra nation. We are not one with these people, and we can never be one. Nothing like one Nigeria. We are not a Nigeria, we can never be a Nigeria. We are Biafrans. So please, Finnish government, stop. You should listen to the cry of Biafrans. Biafrans are dying on a daily basis. Israel, the Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, we Biafrans are calling on you people. We are not the terrorists in our homeland. Nigerian Army, Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian Navy, JTF from Nigeria should vacate from our land. We have nothing in common with them. We are not doing things together with them.
Just like a hand in the hand, just now.
We are Biafra. Please watch the invasion of Nigerian Air Force today in Osumogu, precisely today. Make your findings and make your inquiries. And watch also the way that all these terrorists are massacring our people in Onitsha Head Bridge. Watch it clearly. You will understand the cry and the tears of Biafrans. These people doesn't value lives. They don't value the life of Biafrans. We love our people and our people love us so much.
On yesterday,
if you want to confirm what we are talking about, it's better that they release Nnamdi Kanu and release Simon Ekpa. Conduct referendum so that the people will decide on their own. Simple as ABCD. We are not asking for much.
Then come and burn.
We are done and dusted with Nigeria. We are not a Nigeria, and we can never be a Nigeria.
This is what
people that doesn't follow the rules of the law. People that don't have rule of law to obey. People that doesn't obey their law, their own law.
Look at it.
They are
by
just
the compound.
rubbishing people's life with their
That's
Sharia
the
law.
right
And we
hand
don't
of the
believe in that
compound.
Sharia law. We are not a Muslim and we can never be a Muslim. Watch and understand. May God
And
bless the
they
international community and the world
vandalize
leaders.
and cleanse
Finish
all the
government.
building
Janto is commending you
without
people. Watch the
any
truth and
without anything
adopt the
and
truth.
without
Thank you and God
nothing.
bless you.
biko ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m, onye nna n'olu ya wụ Nnaemeka Nwaka nke eji Duala were mara Ọmụọda Duala. Abụ m onye Ụmụdike Agbaọbụ ọkaigwe lokal gọọmenti. Biko ochi chọrọ iji unu na-ahụ biko nu ADU Agbaọbụ development, Agbaọbụ Union Development, home and abroad. Biko na onwe nche igwe unu na o nwere ihe na-eme na be anyị na-agba m anyagharị mmadụ na-efu everyday na be anyị. Ọ bụrụ ka mgbe Ebuka nwa Samson Nwokọcha joinere Uchenna Okeke na ọ n'Obiletiti, because ndị a kpọrọ ndị Fulani S-men in the name of Ebubeagụ, DSS, militaries, soja, ju n'Obiletiti ebe ahụ. Ha fokọsọ ndị Agbaọbụ were na-ebu ndị be anyị. Onye onye bụrụ tata echi ọ na-apụta. O nwechara ndị nọchara ebe ahụ 2 months, 3 months, 4 months na-abatabeghị ma tata ka na ndị na-ama ma dị ndụ ma nwụrụ anwụ. Person like izu ndụ mmadụ na-akụ kamgbe ha buru ya ọ pụtabeghị. Many people ha bụ na be anyị, ma ndị agbagbo ya agbagbo, ma ndị agbajiri ụkwụ, ndị riri ebe ahụ mata ha lọbe. Biko unu tinye ihe ọnụ ọkwụ na Ebuka ka na esi na amara m ihe anyị amara ihe anyị mere Ebuka nwanne ya nwoke o ji join na ndị Fulani S-men were na-egbukpọ ụmụnne ya, na-egbu ụmụnne everyday. Onye gafete Obiletiti ebe ahụ Ebuka tụọ ya aka na onye Agbaọbụ eburu ya n'ụmụ ndị eburu apụtabeghị. Ihe ọ na-arụzi n'azụ dị oche amasị niile nọ na Agbaọbụ na nke ọ fọkọsụrụ nnazi na chairman abụọ apụọ na ọ ga-afọkọ ndị ọzọ. Biko nu site ihe ọnụ adọnke agwọ onye na-egbure bifo onye gbara ọsọ ebute nwanne ma ọ bute nwa ya ọkụma na onye ahụ na-eji onye ahụ eji. Biko nke a tinye ihe ọnụ. Biko unu were ata ịkpọ na ọ bụrụ chairman of local gọọmenti, ndị haus, steeti, federal ka etinye ọnụ ihe arụ na-eme na ala Agbaọbụ. Agbaọbụ anyị bịara amacha mma dị nice since last year. Egeredechi ụzọ na-arụ eke anyị n'ike gbachie eke Agbaọbụ ọgwụ ahịa everywhere dị smooth. Ma ọzọ Ebuka Samson ka anaghị ezi na o ji ndị Ebubeagụ wee na-etronize anyị. O nwezighị ofu mkpụrụ yutu n'ụlọ na Agbaọbụ na-agbakwa aghara na ahụ. Ihe ọnwa Ọgọst ndị Agbaọbụ ji eme mmemme iri ji. Ugbu a na onwe ya nọ n'ụlọ, ọkwa mmadụ nọ n'ụlọ eme mmemme iri ji. Ọktoba ka anyị ji eme awa Agbaọbụ festival jupụtara Agbaọbụ niile. Mana kamgbe Ebuka join ndị a na nna m ụmụnne m onwegosị nke nwere isi. Biko unu tinye ọnụ. Ama m ka nwanne nwoke ji gaga join ndị DSS na ndị Ebubeagụ wee na-egbukpọ ụmụnne ya. Adị ndị ahụ n'ebe ahụ wụrịkọ na ha ndị Igbo, ndị awụcha ndị Fulani, ndị Awụsa, ndị Kalaba ka nwanne nwoke gara aga join ya were na-egbukpọ anyị. Amara m ihe obi ya. Biko ụmụnne m biko agbakwa nkịtị na ihe a na ọ ga-adịkwa njọ. Biko akpọọ m chairman of local gọọmenti. Biko nne m biko nyere anyị aka. Ndị haus biko unu nyere anyị aka na nke a karịa na. Biko ndị eze niile nọ na Agbaọbụ, ndị eze niile, ndị PG na ndị eze and the whole chairmans. Biko unu tinye ọnụ na nke ikpeazụ arụzi na ndị chairmans na ka ofọs na chairman of local gọọmenti, chairman of communities ọkwa ihe ofesịrị na. Biko ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m ndị Agbaọbụ ndị m nọ, biko ka etinye ọnụ bifo ya karịa bekee afọ ọ dị na too much. Biko ekele m unu. Onye na n'olu ya nwanne unu nwoke Nnaemeka Nwaka aka Duala.
Now you can see some other accounts of people as they are commenting or as they are lamenting of what is going on in Imo State, how the fighter jet belonging to the Nigerian government coming to their base to buy them, but they stood their ground, saying that nothing they happen at all. So these guys no agree to run away. they laid their ground. They faced the Niger agents with fighter jets. Oh yes.
Na show. Una go kill na chef. Bawo no one. Bawo no one. Bawo no one. Bawo no one.
Let the world say something. Donald Trump, you can see it for yourself. You can see it for yourself. See what Nigeria government is doing to Biafran. See what Nigeria government is doing to Eastern region. What did we do? We don't want one Nigeria again. We want our freedom. One Biafran, what are they fighting us for? Eh? Look at everybody is running because the war jet is firing bullets everywhere without even knowing the people that they are killing. They recruit Igbo to kill Igbo. Look at what our brothers is doing to us. They know where the bandits are, but they cannot go there and fight them. Neither they are fighting the innocent ones, the freedom fighters. The God we serve will judge them 1,000 times.
So, Biafrans, as we are saying, in all these things that is going on, our brother here has something to say concerning those that are fighting for the struggle of Biafra. Listen to our brother and you will understand exactly what he meant by this that he is saying.
See, you see that video you are seeing on my screen now. Eh? You see men there. Don't allow politicians to use you, because two things they make man high without taking anything. Two things can make you high without taking anything. Number one is money. Number two is when you carry weapon like this. When you carry maybe all this weapon, then they share, politicians they share anyhow. That is the only two things that can make you high, like as if you smoke or you take colos. You understand? Don't allow politicians to use you. Whenever you hear anybody talk about Biafra, know say that person, his mind dey back. You understand? See, make I tell you this one. I don't dey tell you say any person using Biafra to cover up for criminality, that person is on his own. And let me tell you something. Some people, where they do criminality is totally different from people where they talk about Biafra. Now me they tell you, the only when you will engage yourself in criminality is only when you are in this Biafra struggle. Maybe you are the arms, maybe you are the Biafran army. Now you allow politicians to use you. That is only when you engage in criminality. But if not, one day you may say they are in the bush. Oga, forget them. At this point in time, no Biafran army, no any person where they carry gun, no person where they carry gun in the name of Biafra is in the bush. They are in the street. Because they are decent like you no go notice them. These people you see here, if you like, call them whatever you like. But the only thing when I go tell you here be say, men they never won't release men, because ihe a na-ahazi adịbeghị ready. Ihe a na-ahazi dị ready. Go nwa politician bunyere AK-47. You go no say that your AK-47 are nothing because Ajala Igbo go seize you because those that is talking about Biafra have decided obrugodonwu ka ha nwodo ebido obro taa ọnwa bụrụ n'ihe taa ka ndị nwụbara ọnwụ maka ka ga-eshi we capture ala Igbo nwụbara ọnwụ. Not ago since 1960, even before 1967, a na-egbu ndị Igbo. So echela no maka na politician bunyere gị AK-47 ka eji wee na-atọ gị ụjọ. Mba, one day you see them will let cat out of the room. Uche ga-adị ya. Ihe m ga-agwa gị na bụ in case if you are one of those ebunyere AK-47 to be buying ụmụaka Igbo in the name of na ị protect politicians. If one day it begin bata and apụ ihe m na-agwa gị bụ pure. I am not just telling you this one because I want to make content. I am just telling the truth. Don't allow politicians to use you. They go use you and dump you. You understand? In fact, you are a fool by allowing politicians to buy AK-47 for you. You understand? You understand? Because people that is talking about Biafra is not joking. They are not joking. A lot of things is going on. In fact, people that is talking about Biafra have taken over international. Let me tell you, there is news broke out about Tinubu this morning. You see that news, you may think it's just about Tinubu. Or guys, you see that news, we trigger a lot of things in this country. Now me where they here now, they tell you, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. God bless you.
So, Biafrans, you can see one of the commanders of the Biafran Liberation Army. He is advising the Finnish government to allow Mazen Simon Ekpa to go because Simon Ekpa is not what the government tagged him to be, that he is innocent, according to him in this video. Listen to our commander, see no more, in this video.
Greetings to all lovers of freedom. Greetings to the freedom fighters. God bless everyone that love freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. Let this message go direct to the Southeast government. And let this message also go direct to Finland governments, especially their president. You see, Finland, when you people was fighting for your freedom, it looked like it's easy, but it was not easy. Now we Biafrans are fighting for our freedom. We begin to take bribe from the Nigerian government. Don't feel that because Finland is very far from Nigeria, or because you want to oppress the Biafrans, because you can never oppress Biafrans. Let the president of Finland hear this message, and I will not repeat it again. Free Simon Ekpa. I said I will not repeat this message again. Free Simon Ekpa before it will be too late for you people. I'm not threatening you people, neither I'm giving you people command, but I'm just telling you what you're supposed to do. Simon Ekpa is not a terrorist, neither is a killer. You have never seen him with a rifle or in a battlefield with giving command to go and kill. Simon Ekpa is a freedom fighter for these people, the poor masses that is suffering in a Nigerian state where there is no democracy working. Nigeria does not know the right things to do. All they do is bribe and corruptions. The government of Nigeria, they are not doing well to help the masses. I did this video before. TikTok deleted the video. They block it because the truth is so much bitter. I just dey laugh. Just imagine somebody come to my message. Somebody just message me for TikTok. Tell me say, my brother, I want you make una dey against Biafra. And make una destroy this Biafra. You go give me 10 million naira. I look the message. The person messaged me again. I look. I send message giver. He said, my brother, I'm serious. He said, if I want to say serious, make I send on my account. May just send 25 million first. That one I make a 30 day. Say 5 million. Now for my boys, make a 30 day. We could destroy Biafra. We could fight against them. We could go to Sokoto prison. We destroy them. I look the man. I come personal call him for phone. I come tell him say, Oga. Now what did they talk so? I be you just wake up for sleep. Money they check you. Are you okay? You want to give me 25 million first? 5 million for my boys. More they destroy, they go. More kill Biafra down. I said, did I look like a JJ? Are you mad? I said, for your life, never you speak or never, in fact, don't even message me again. I'm not a saboteur. Neither am I a betrayer to destroy my people or my brothers and sisters because of money. Oh God, the little one when I get is okay for me. I go manage them. You send 25 million for me, I'll go to enjoy. I'll go to cause disaster. They destroy, they kill people. Can't give my boys 5 million. Maybe they go to destroy. Mo could destroy Sokoto prison. Just imagine waiting person where mama born, where they carry for 9 months for belle born finish. They tell me, people are wicked in this life. When I tell you people say game go change, you're not saying a joke. I never see anything. I never see anything. The more they come, the serious one they come. Me na spirit, oh. You can't see me. But I did do my own, they go secretly. Every bribe, every corruption I they do, they see. You see, governor of Anambra State, Soludo. He had on the calm down, small, but he never calm down. It is say every bribe na bribe. It is say money na money. Fear no go let am one day say he enter motor come up Iweka, or say he enter motor say they come Limca. In the case, every governor they hide their head now. What is coming go big past them. Make their wait. Now time it go take. Just a matter of time. We will get there. Just a matter of time. We will get there. Just we are going to do daily. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. All the enemies of Biafrans, a matter of time. Now, we gonna get ready. We gonna just prepare on ourselves, or they prepare on a bag. Now go use na hand burn on a house by ourselves. We go stand and say, put fire for this on our house. Now we use the hand, they put fire. Me, see me no more. I tell you, I say game go change. I no believe. I never see anything for Nigeria. I tell you, I say Tinubu will be the last president of this country. Biafra will go. What could they watch? We gonna see what it go happen. If I were you, the Nigerian military in Biafra land, check how much they are paying you people. Check what is going on in your life. Check how you are working. Don't use because of your wearing khaki uniform or desert wear uniform or bomb blast. Say they give you rifle. Use the morale, stand for road, or say you know they come for barrack, you know go feel resign, or you know go feel commode. Say order na order. Say man can die, woman borns another. See your morale high. My guy, use your brain. Sorry. Use your brain. Find somewhere go. If they pay you salary, go look for another African country, go. Look for a better business, do. Have a good family. Not be that barrack on a day, block 1, block 2. Your family are suffering, you are still paying tax inside your barrack. How much they pay you? At the end, you see your money, go sew uniform, buy boots. How much remain for your salary? Why one man have 40 houses in Nigeria giving you orders? One man have a home in London, in UK, in different part of Africa, in Africa country and European country, and you are here suffering. Say you are serving your father's nation, and you say you are a military or a police officer. The government are using your head. You are suffering, giving you changes, making you as if say you are.
So our brother here is also saying something that is everybody is becoming aware of it. Even Mazi Nandekalu has said that several times in his broadcast. Imo State is one of the richest states we have in Nigeria. In fact, this our brother here said that Imo State is richer than so many countries in the world. But what is going on? What is happening to us, Africa? Listen to our brother to hear what he said in this video.
But there are Imo citizens on the Mediterranean Sea now, as I'm talking to you now, trying to head into Italy that has almost no gas reserve. Do you know that Imo State owns the largest gas reserve in the whole of Africa? Do you know that there are what they call 200 trillion cubic feet of gas? In Imo State. According to Governor Hope Uzodimma in his welcome address in that Imo State Economic Summit. He made this statement that Imo State is blessed with 200 trillion cubic feet of gas. It means that the gas reserve in Imo State is times 60. It's times 60 than the gas reserve in United Kingdom. Times 3 the gas reserve in Canada. Yet our people are slaving around in this country. The first person that made this statement about the gas reserve in Imo State was the then Minister of Petroleum for State, Timi Presiva. He made this statement during the Forum for National Gas program. He made this statement in 2001. He said that Imo State has 200 trillion cubic feet of gas with additional potential of 600 trillion cubic feet of gas. If you add this potential of 600 trillion, Imo State will become the 5th largest gas, we own the 6th largest gas reserve in the world. What is Imo State citizens benefiting from this? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. And you know, Seplat Energy, although they already have a processing plant there where they produce 300 million standard cubic feet of gas per day. At Asa North or Haji South gas processing company. It's what Imo citizens with the quantity of gas reserve in Imo State. You are not supposed to have health problem in Imo State. They are supposed to be full health insurance scheme in Imo State. No Imo citizen is supposed to pay for school fees to PhD level with the quantity of gas reserve in Imo State. 200 cubic feet of gas in the whole of Imo State. Why Canada has like 87 or thereabout? UK has like 6.7. Imo State alone has 600 with additional unproven reserve of Imo State has 200 trillion cubic feet of gas with additional unproven reserve of 600 trillion cubic feet of gas. We have many reserves, the Zombe, the Ebema, the Ohaje, and even there is the one that they have not confirmed now. They found at Mbitolu. Imo State is so blessed. Why are our people slaving around in Kuwait, in Oman? Why we are richer than most of these countries? We own the largest gas reserve in the whole of Africa. And our people are slaving around. Our girls are in Libya. Our boys are on the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, heading to Italy. That has almost absolutely no gas reserve. What is wrong? A state that is so blessed. The countries that are richer than Imo State when it comes to gas reserve are like Russia, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Qatar, United States of America, Turkmenistan. These are the countries, some of the countries that are richest. Aside this country, Imo State, I'm not talking about Nigeria. I say the gas reserve in Imo State. The then Minister of Petroleum said that it's 200 trillion cubic feet of gas. 200 trillion cubic feet of gas with additional unproven reserve of 600 trillion cubic feet of gas. And yet Imo State is not like heaven. Yet our citizens are in all these countries that we are richer than, slaving around, suffering. The reason why we make these things is that Imo citizens need to know. You need to know your potential. You need to know the capacity of your state first and foremost. When you now know the cause of your problem. Why are you not benefiting from these natural resources that was given to you by nature? Why? Please, you must share this video. Our people need to know the truth. It's only the truth that will set us free. Why are Imo citizens not benefiting from these enormous natural resources in their land? Likewise, other people. Why are all the roads in Imo State not built already? Why are Imo citizens suffering in states, in countries that we are far better than? Why?
Simon Ekpa, it is time for Finland government to free him, according to our brother in this video. Watch the video as it ends.
Why is it that no press media in Nigeria is reporting the appeal or the condition or the situation of the appeal Simon Ekpa made in Finland? Why is it? Those press medias, newspaper companies or whatever you call them, why is it that they are no longer reporting about Simon Ekpa anymore? When Simon Ekpa was sent to jail, in fact, Simon Ekpa has not been sent to jail. They started generating AI images of Simon Ekpa to deceive so many people that he has been sent to jail, including Reno Mokre. He even posted it there. When he was finally sent to jail, the news was all over the media. Everybody keep reporting. These same people, when he was sent to jail, in fact, the news was everywhere. Now that the appeal is happening, starting from hearing to defense, why are they silent? That is my question. That is because they are losing. Nobody will tell you this. They can never tell you this. Any news that you didn't get from Nigerian media, know that they are not getting any victory from there. They are not getting any. All the newspapers, all the televisions in Nigeria, all the reporters, they are silent. Okay, even if they are winning, why can't they tell the world that they are winning Simon Ekpa in Finnish court? Hello, that is to tell you that when it turns back, when the table finally turns back, their mouth will remain silent. They won't say anything again. For your information, in case you don't know, Simon Ekpa has been winning Nigeria, starting from the hearing to defense. Hello, we are waiting for the judgment. No be to lobby person, carry person go court be the problem. No be to carry person go put for prison be the problem. The answer be say, are you ready to present evidence? Nigeria no get evidence. So they no fit provide a solid or base evidence in Finnish court in Finland. They got disappointed. For your information, I will come tomorrow for the analysis of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Did you hear from Israel? Did you hear what Israel said? Or did you hear about what the world is talking about Biafra a few days ago? I'm not a member of IPOB and I don't desire to be, but whenever you see the truth, say it. That is always my message.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Biafrans. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Above every other thing, peace is the best. We all love you. Bye.